Good morning children. Today we will discuss about exercise 6.2 chapter 6 lines and angles, and I am Vinod Mittal from Springfield Public School. So the very first question, that is find the values of x and y and then show that AB parallel to CD. So one picture is given, one transversal 50 degree, this is line AB, CD, here it is X, here it is Y, 130 degree. So as per question, first of all find out the values of X. Solution. Question number 1. In figure, x plus 50, you can see that x plus 50 is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So x equal to 180 minus 50, x equal to 130 degree, and y equal to 130 degree because of vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. And now it is written in the question, show that AB parallel to CD. So we can see that x equal to y, therefore x equal to y equal to 130 degree. But these are alternate interior angles, but these are alternate interior angles for the lines AB and CD. Therefore, AB parallel to CD. So because we have done in the basics that if the alternate angles are equal, then lines will be parallel, and if lines are parallel, then alternate angles will be equal. That we have done in the basics. Next question, question number 2. Figure is given, 3 lines AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. 3 lines are given, one transversal is given, and we need to find out the values of x. So 3 lines are given, 1, 2 and 3. One transversal is given, this is line AB, this is line CD, this is line EF. So here it is given x, here it is given y, here it is given z. So given AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF, Y ratio Z equal to 3:7. To find, we need to find out the value of x. Solution. You can see that ratio of y and z is given, but y and z are neither alternate angles, nor these are corresponding angle, nor these are co-interior, co-exterior angles. So no relation is there between y and z. So what we will do? First of all, AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Therefore, AB parallel to EF. We will say that AB parallel to CD because AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Important line is there. This is an important line. AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Therefore, AB parallel to EF. It is because in geometry, this is the rule that if two lines are parallel to the same line, then lines will be parallel to each other. So this is the rule of geometry. According to that rule, AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF, therefore AB parallel to EF. It implies AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. It means all the three lines are parallel to each other. First of all, this part is very important to prove that these three lines are parallel. So let take y equal to 3k and z equal to 7k. But z equal to x alternate interior angles. So we can say z equal to x only when we will be proved that these two lines are parallel, that we have already proved that these two lines are parallel. Then only we can say that x equal to z. So this part is important here. Z equal to x, therefore x equal to 7k. So after proving that x equal to 7k, now I can say x plus y equal to 180 co-interior angles, because these two lines are parallel. So after this we will say, because AB parallel to CD, therefore x plus y is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. So x is 7k and y is 3k is equal to 180. 10k equal to 180, k equal to 180 upon 10, 0 cancel, k equal to 18. So the value of k is 18 and the value of x, now x which is equal to 7k will be equal to 7 into 18, 18 7 ja 126. So the value of x is 126 degree. Next question. So figure is given 6.30. AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD, GED 120 degree. Find angle AGE, GEF and FGE. So the question number 3. First of all, draw the picture. Picture must be drawn, whether it is written in the question or not. In geometry, picture must be drawn. So AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD, it is given. AB parallel to CD and EF perpendicular. Perpendicular means that making an angle of 90 degree with CD. EF is making an angle of 90 degree. Another line GE is given, GE, and we need to find out angle AGE, this angle GEF, this angle FGE, FGE, this angle. These three angles we need to find out. ये एंगल हमें निकालने हैं, तो और GED 126 हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 गिवन AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD, angle GED 126 degree. To find angle AGE, first thing. Second, angle GEF. Third, angle FGE. So always remember, when we are writing here to find, we will write solution. When we will write here to prove, we will write proof. So to find, after that, to find solution, GED, this complete angle is given 126 degree. So you can see that if I take these two lines as parallel lines and GE as transversal line, then this complete angle will be equal to this complete angle because of alternate interior angles. So angle AGE will also be 126 degree. So this all about we will write in figure. AB parallel to CD, and we are taking GE transversal, GE transversal. Therefore, angle AGE will be equal to angle GED will be equal to 126 degree because of alternate interior angles. So the first part we have done, angle AGE. Angle AGE equal to 126 degree. Second part, GEF, this angle. So you can see that 90 plus GEF is equal to 126. So again we will write in figure. In figure, 90 plus angle GEF equal to 126 degree, and there is no need to write any reason here because that is obvious in the picture. So angle GEF equal to 126 minus 90, angle GEF equal to 36 degree. So this we have done the second part. Now the third part, FGE, this angle. So this angle we can find out by this angle taking linear pair. So in figure again we will write in figure angle AGE plus angle FGE equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So AGE already we have found in first part, that was 126 degree. 126 plus angle FGE equal to 180 degree. Angle FGE equal to 180 minus 126, it will be 4, 7 minus 2, 5, 54 degree. FGE 54 degree. So this is all about question number 1, 2 and 3. Rest we will do in the next video. Thank you.